Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to set your own splash screen on the MMI 3G unit. Enjoy the video. Alright, so let's do some coffee and I'm gonna back to you from the computer side. Alright, so what you gonna need? First of all, you're gonna need the SD card, at least 1 GB, but keep in mind on some MMIs the 1 GB might not work and you might need the bigger card. Also, that SD card has to be formatted as FAT32. I'm gonna show you now how to do that. Just go to this computer format, make sure the file system is selected onto the FAT32 and start format. If you see that screen, the disk is write protected, then you have to pull up the little switch on the side of the SD card. Let's try again. Format, file system FAT32, quick format, OK. And the format complete. Of course, we will need our script you can get from our website. The link will be included in the description below the video. You can get it for just €8. And some graphic editor application like the Photoshop, GIMP or other. Also, when you are creating your own design, make sure you set the resolution for MMI 3G High or 3G Plus to 800 by 480 pixels, and for the MMI 3G Basic 400 by 240 pixels. Alright, when you get the files from us, from our website, you will get 3 archives. Here is the script which will change the splash screen for the MMI 3G Basic, another for the 3G High and 3G Plus, and some splash screens examples. I'm gonna use 3G High and 3G Plus version, so just need to unpack it. Go to the script, and they are the splash screens which you need to set your own. On the splash screens examples, there are examples on the files and how you need to name the files. For example, for the A4, I'm gonna open this one again. For the A4, I'm set the startup 84 and startup generic. If you're gonna set just the one of these names, it might not working. So what I recommend, just put one graphic on the 2 names like they are here. Once you created your own splash screens, copy them onto that folder, then go back, select all of these folders, copy and paste onto the SD card. Okay, now we can just jump to the car and I'm gonna show you how it works from the car. Okay guys, so we are now in 2014 Audi A4 with the MMI 3G Plus unit, and I'm gonna show you how to change the splash screen on the MMI. So we're gonna start the ignition. Now just need to wait a couple of minutes until all system went up. So you can just press each button. We can't see any initialization screen, radio, media. Okay, and now we can install the script. Make sure you have no other SD cards inserted into the MMI. And here I got the SD card with the splash screen script. So just insert the screen, insert the SD and wait for the screen. Like you see here, it starts automatically. If it won't start, just eject the SD card and try with the second slot. And now just need to press any key on the MMI panel. I'm just gonna twist that button and it's finished. Now we need to wait around 1 minute, eject the SD card and reboot the MMI by using the 3 buttons combination, like the menu, central knob and the top right silver button. So I'm gonna eject the SD card and now reboot the MMI. 1, 2, 3. And now the splash screen has been changed. Right, thank you guys very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you wish more weekly updates on Audi Net, and see you in the next movie.